Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, we're gonna make some green banana, Irish potato and okra strongback for the husband, you know. My husband loves this kind of juice, alright? This drink, guys, is to keep the function you have going, or you to build on it, alright? It's for the ladies too, gonna build your immune system. Now my peeps, we have some water over here and we're gonna put, like, you want about one Irish potato, or if it's small you can use 2 or 3, depends on the size. Okay, we're gonna put 1 finger of banana. I'm gonna pour some okra, about that. I want about a cup or so. Alright, we're gonna let this come to a boil. But guys, you can put almond milk, soy milk or whatever, but I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut milk in this so the water don't turn black. Okay, all right, so about ½ cup of coconut milk. I put the powdered one, I just mix it in some water and put it. All right, I'm gonna let this come to a boil and then I'll come back. So this is it bubbling. All right, you want to boil it for about 15 minutes. And guys, you can use any milk. You can use the regular one in the can, you can use the powder, you can use almond milk or soy, you can use even the 2% milk. It's up to you, it's a matter of choice. All right, look at the goodness. So boil this for 15 minutes, let it cool down, and then we're gonna blend it. Oh my peeps, I forgot to tell you, I end up putting another finger of banana in it, alright, because it was such a little bit. But you can use 1, depends on the amount you're making. You're gonna blend it with water and everything, okay guys? Don't throw away anything. Alright my peeps, I'm back, and here I have my pumpkin seed powder. I have some milk and my sea moss and a dragon and some flavor. Okay, so this is it. And guys, I'm gonna blend it in small portion because I'm using my little blender. You blend juice and everything. Okay, see the slime? Oh boy, we're gonna add some sea moss gel. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. Yeah, something like that. Oopsie, a little bit more for the road. That's for the road, right guys? Thick and nice. All right, and I'm gonna just add the vanilla here to show you. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon mixed essence. I put cinnamon stick already, so I'm just gonna put some nutmeg, about 1/4 teaspoon or half, maybe half, because I'm gonna blend the rest. And the next step, I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of my pumpkin seed powder, and we're gonna blend this, and then I'm gonna blend the rest, and then we're gonna add our dragon and our milk after. And you just want to blend it. I throw out some because boy, it gets so thick. Ooh, and I'm gonna put some soy. It gets so thick. Ooh boy, can't blend. And I'm gonna blend again. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest just like this. And what I just have a container here, and I'm just gonna pour it in. All right, I'm gonna do the rest like that, and then I'm gonna add some sweetener to it. I start to add my dragon, and I'm gonna put about ½ bottle. All right, And then I'm gonna blend again. All right, and you're gonna pour it here, and I'm gonna continue. I have lots more here, guys. Okay. All right, my peeps, so oopsie, that's the last of it. And look at that. Oh my god, it's so thick. Oh boy, oh boy, super food. You can go ahead and you can use some straight almond to sweeten it. You can use honey, you can use whatever you want. All right, but I'm gonna put some condensed milk. All right, I'm gonna put about 1/3. Look how thick it be, guys. Oh, it's so thick. Guys, I don't want to water it down. I want to serve it thick like this. But if you don't like it this thick, go ahead and add some almond or some more soy to it, okay? All right, we're gonna serve this over some crushed ice. Look there, the okra, sea moss, green banana, potato, oh, pumpkin seed. Oh my goodness, a superfood right here. Look at that. Look at it. Meal replacement. We're gonna put some ice. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so much. Woo, can't manage it, guys. It's too much. Woo, it's a lot of thickness. A lot of goodness. And it's not too sweet, guys, so wish me luck. We're gonna pour some in this one. Almost half of it left. Woo, a lot. You see a little bit, guys, what I can give? Because the sea moss is thick, the pumpkin seed is thick, the green banana give you good gumption and thickness, the potato is thick. Oh my goodness, it's a super house here, guys. Powerhouse. This is my super punch. Yeah, my green banana, Irish potato, sea moss, pumpkin seed powder, okra, oh my god, dragon, lots of goodness right here. Okay, guys, and I put a beautiful bright yellow flowers to show spring, summer is coming. Yeah, we need a bright day ahead, guys. Bright day ahead. You can drink this as is, guys. This is a meal replacement all by itself. Okay, guys. Yes, so you love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. You have a good day. And as I said, you don't have to add any milk. You can add straight almonds, straight soy. You can put a little bit of honey for taste. All right.